Now look at it. Ain't this magnificent? Wow. Nice. Alright guys, today I'll be showing you how I prepare this very delicious steamed fish and okras in coconut milk. Right? So right here, I have 4 red snapper that I already went off camera and washed in some vinegar water just to cut some of that rawness out. Also, I got my seasons and vegetables that I prepped off camera. Scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, Irish potato, pumpkin, tomato, carrot, spring onion, thyme, onion, red and green bell peppers, right? Also, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 tablespoon of fish seasoning, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of pimento seeds, ½ pound of okras, right? 60 grams of butter. Look into my past and I count them. And for final ingredients, 400 ml of coconut milk, right? So first thing I'm gonna do is to add my vegetable, right? And I'm just adding my onion, my red and green bell peppers, right? Also, my spring onion, my thyme, my carrot, my tomato, and my pumpkin, Irish potato, and Scotch bonnet pepper. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my coconut milk. Also, 2 cups of water. My all-purpose seasoning. My fish seasoning, right? My black pepper. And my pimento seed. So I'm just gonna go ahead and turn my stove on high heat, right? And guys, you notice I didn't add the okra as yet because I don't want my okra to cook out, right? So I'm gonna add the okra when I'm about to add the fish, right? So I'm just gonna leave the vegetable to cook, then we add the rest of the ingredients. Alright guys, so now that my vegetable is cooked, I'm just gonna go ahead and add 60 grams of butter, right? Also, I'm gonna add my okras. I'm just gonna stir it a bit. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my fish, right? I'm just gonna sit them perfectly in the pot so everything can fit properly and cook evenly, right? And guys, you should be smelling the aroma right now. That coconut scent, right? With all those vegetables and season. Trust me, it's an awesome smell. So I'm just tossing some of that juice all over the top of the fish, along with some of the vegetable, right? Wow, guys, trust me, this recipe is awesome. You need to try this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cover up my pot and allow it to cook for about 6 minutes, right? And make sure you toss the pot around so that the fish doesn't stick in the bottom of the pot. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and taste it to see if it needs any more salt. Look into my past and I count the numbers. So I'm just gonna add a little salt to taste, right? And I'm gonna stir it around a bit. Toss my pot again, right? And I'm gonna give it about a minute, and then I turn it off and show you the finishing product right after this. Now, you have the finishing product right here. Oh, look delicious, right? Taste delicious too. I wish if y'all be tasting this right now. Wow, nice. Alright guys, if you reached this far in the video, please remember to hit that subscribe button just to keep up to date with all the latest video each and every week.
It'll take it all or nothing at all. Driving through the night till I'm at your door. Go outside, stay up all night, sleep through the sun.
Mazurop, yum.